Well, the auto sales numbers for the month of March is what anticipation is all getting built up into. All host of factors is something that the market is anticipating, markets is looking forward to. Number one, whether production as well as demand is something that are along expected lines, especially demand, given the renewed rise of COVID cases and given the renewed rise of few shutdowns, few localized lockdowns, is something that the market was worried about. Not only that, shortages of semiconductors, crucial parts and crucial components in the building as well as development of automobiles is something that is set to expect and that is set to have an impact as far as the industry is concerned. Now, overall, what needs to be looked at this point of time is that what market participants are saying. Market participants are saying that demand momentum is largely being sustained across segments. Inventory at this point of time is much lower than normal for both the passenger vehicles and traction due to the strong demand. So clearly, inventory is something that has actually gone down quite significantly. In fact, some of the market participants, some of the strong market voices that are heard quite keenly, especially on ET now, have said that inventory levels are something at quite a significant or multi-year low. M&HCV demand is something that is expected to grow sequentially this time around. When you're coming to two-wheelers, this is where most of the worry across market participants is. Renewed lockdown worries, renewed COVID worries, renewed number of rising cases is something that is seen to have actually impacted two-wheelers. Also remember, the price of fuel, the price of petrol is something that has skyrocketed, and again, given the fact that the two-wheeler segment is such a price-sensitive market, it is expected to have an impact as far as the sales of two-wheelers are concerned. Now, when you're talking about the figures, Maruti Suzuki expected to post close to 1.7 lakh units this time around. Mahindra & Mahindra, the auto segment, expected to post close to 35,900 units. The farm or the tractor segment is something that is expected to post close to 32,732 units. Escorts expected to post tractor sales figure of close to 12,258. The passenger vehicle segment of Tata Motors expected 30,000 units, and the CV segment is something that is expected to post close to 36,014 units. Ashok Leyland, 14,640 units is the expectation being built in. Hero Motor two-wheeler space, 5.36 lakh units. TVS Motor, 3.13 lakh units. Ashok Leyland, we spoke about that. Royal Enfield expected close to 75,000 units. Bajaj Auto 3.6 lakh units. Keep an eye out for the two-wheeler names, especially they could surprise negatively given the fact that some of the two-wheeler companies have actually seen quite a bit of production worries, demand lagging, and also interesting to see the kind of commentary that companies give, especially in terms of the demand in the context of renewed number of rising corona cases and also renewed worries of a shutdown or fears of a lockdown.